Do you want to know how you can log into your business online payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach how you can log into your business online payroll account. Go ahead and open your browser and search for business online payroll on your search bar. The next step is to scroll a bit down and click on this link which says One Login. Now click on Login, which is on the top right hand side. The next step is to enter your One Login domain name. So go ahead and write down the domain name, and the format is companyname.onelogin.com. So after you write down your domain name, go ahead and click continue. Then what you need to do is write down your password. After you write down your password, go ahead and click login, and you can successfully log in to your One Login business online payroll account. If this is not your payroll account, go ahead and go back, scroll a bit down and click on this link which says Tri-City National Bank Business Online Payroll. After you click on this link, it will take you to the official site of Business Online Payroll, as you can see over here. And you can click sign in, which you can see on the top right hand side. You can see that you can log into your different types of accounts. Some of the accounts are business banking, personal, credit card, merchant services, and click switch. So you can choose one of your accounts, write down your user ID and click login. After you click on login, writing your username, it will lead you to this site. So what you need to do is wait for a while. And in a while, this portal will fully load up, and then you can see that one-time security has been sent to this code. So go ahead and click continue with security code. You can either select your phone number, which these are your phone number, click continue, an OTP code will be sent to your phone. After you select your phone number, click continue, and you can click this call or text and click continue again. After a while, you can see that your OTP will be sent to your phone. You can keep the OTP on the screen over here, and you can log into your business online payroll account. So guys, this is how you log into your business online payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.